Introducing the portable power station with foldable solar panel charger 30W and 120W camping power, a versatile solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts and those in need of reliable power on the go. This product aims to provide a convenient energy source, particularly in situations where traditional electricity is unavailable, such as camping trips, tailgating, or emergency preparedness. The portable power station serves as a compact energy hub that can charge or power various devices, from smartphones to small appliances. With its robust battery capacity, it is designed to support a variety of electronics, making it a practical choice for both everyday use and specialized outdoor activities. The inclusion of a foldable solar panel charger enhances its functionality, allowing users to harness solar energy for recharging, which can be particularly beneficial in remote locations where access to electrical outlets is limited. One of the standout features of this power station is its dual charging capabilities. The solar panel, which has a 30W output, enables users to charge the power station using sunlight, while the power station itself can provide 120W output to power devices. This flexible approach to energy consumption accommodates a range of power needs, from charging smaller items like phones and tablets to running larger devices like portable refrigerators or lights. In terms of usability, the power station is designed for ease of operation. It typically features multiple ports, including USB-A and USB-C outputs, as well as AC outlets, allowing simultaneous charging of several devices. The integration of a built-in display helps users monitor battery levels and output status, providing essential information at a glance. Furthermore, its compact and lightweight design ensures that it is easy to transport, making it suitable for various outdoor activities. For those considering its application, the portable power station is particularly well suited for camping trips, hiking excursions, and other recreational outdoor settings where conventional power sources are unattainable. It also serves as a valuable backup option during power outages, providing peace of mind in unexpected situations. In summary, the portable power station with foldable solar panel charger offers a practical, reliable solution for those in need of portable power. With its thoughtful design and dual charging capabilities, it aims to meet the demands of both outdoor adventurers and everyday users alike.